I mean, I was breaking away little by little until I was trying to read up on my franchise agreement, see exactly how I could get away from them. So little by little, I was actually, I think they almost caught me a couple times, but but little by little, I kept breaking away, and I just didn't accept any more accounts from them.
Headed to the top, ain't none of y'all stopping me. Used to say I never get a ring, Charles Barkley. Now I got a wife, got kids, own property. Bubble-eyed beans that look like that be watching me. Okay, I lied about the beans, but that was hard though. I'm still in that black act, but she starred though. Cause that's all it takes. I'm flashing for. I'm on my grind, not no motherfucking fashion show.
You originally started your cleaning company in 06.
06, 2000.
Right. So how long ago did you break away from the franchise? How long did it take you to do that?
I've been, not long. I mean, I was breaking away little by little until I was trying to read up on my franchise agreement, see exactly how I could get away from them. So little by little, I was actually, I think they almost caught me a couple times, but but little by little, I kept breaking away, and I just didn't accept any more accounts from them. And then I just ended the whole relationship like that. So,
gotcha. That's what's up. Okay, now, how did you really know what to do? Because, you know, like now, like information is pretty much readily available on the internet. But I'm wondering, like back then, I don't know if you still, because I mean, internet was there then, but to me, it just seemed like it wasn't as readily available. So how did you kind of know what to do?
I didn't. You did. And then you don't learn. And then that little training class they give you at the franchise, they didn't teach you anything anyway. First time I ever waxed the floor, I fucked it up.
Right.
So basically, you don't know what you're doing. Y'all just got started, and I learned through my mistakes.
Right. Okay. And let me see. So as far as like, how did you get your first account, independent account?
They called me through the grace of God. It was a big account too. My first account was a $6,000 a month account on my own. They called me, it was an apartment complex, and they just called me, and took me a couple months to close it because they actually went with somebody else at first. I lost it, and then it didn't work out with the first one, so I did it again. So it worked out.
And they called you, like, were you passing out business?
Yeah, they looked me up through Google. I asked them how they found me, and they found me through Google.
Okay. So I got a bunch of different questions I'm going to ask on that, but I'm going to try to stay in line first. Okay, so now when it comes to that, like, for example, you got this big, huge account. It was just you, right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So, like, how did you go about finding staffing and all of that to get it?
I called my uncles. I called my cousins. I called anybody, who I could trust. Because it was a daytime account, too. And you don't want to put anybody in daytime accounts. You want to make sure they look the part, talk the right talk. So I put somebody in there I could trust, my uncle. And it was me, my uncle, my cousin just doing it by ourselves. That was it.
Absolutely.
It was a 5-day week. Yeah.
Okay. Now, because a lot of people ask me, what should they be doing first? Should they be looking for the contract first, or should they be looking for the employees first? And because I know, like, because you had family you could call. Right. I was in a situation where I always had people like readily available I could call. But maybe somebody that's brand new in a whole new area, they don't know anybody. Like, what would you recommend to them? Should they be hiring first? Should they be looking for the contract first? What do you think?
You look for contracts first. What you gonna hire somebody for? Just so you have a phone number? No, you go after the money. I go after the money. 100%. Even when I don't, I'm actually expanding to a new area right now that I have know anybody in Ohio. And I went and got an account. I still don't know how I'm gonna fill it. I got applications coming in, but that's what you got to do. Like, you just got to jump out on faith. Bet on yourself. Yeah.
Okay. Now, do you think starting directly in commercial is doable for a brand new person in this industry? Or should they start with residential first?
It's up to the person in the area, but I like commercial. I like to know where I having money coming in every month. I like to know, residential, you got to wait for a phone call. You got to see if somebody's ready to have you again in the next 2 weeks. And it's not enough money for me, to be honest with you.
Right. And I just want to say,
I think commercial, I don't see the difference. You know what I'm saying? I'd rather do commercial. I think it's a lot less work, a lot less headache. And you know where your customers are. You know how much money you're making every month.
Right. And I just wanted you to say it. I know that. But I wanted you to, because a lot of people will hit me up and be like, well, I'm kind of nervous about going to commercial. Maybe I should start residential first. I'm like, dude, getting the customers, getting the customers. So
Exactly.
I mean, like, when do you want to do? But okay. Now, I see that you own a restaurant too. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, I own a Latin restaurant in Cleveland. I started that about 3 years ago. The cleaning company paid for the restaurant. So, yeah, paid cash for it. So to open it up, rebuild it, I own that with my brother-in-law. It's a Latin restaurant. Yep, we're doing really well. We're in the Quicken Loans Arena. We've been in Quicken Loans Arena for 2 years, so we're doing pretty well.
Congratulations on that. That's huge.
Thank you. Yes, God is good.
Right. So how did you pull that off? Because like everybody else talk about how hard the restaurant industry is, and then commercial cleaning can be hard too. So it's like, how are you doing both of these difficult businesses? How are you pulling that off?
Well, through the grace of God, but I have my brother-in-law, he's a chef. He's a trained chef, so he helps me out a lot. And I really don't even have to be there anymore. So yeah, it's pretty good.
Okay. Now I see that your Facebook page for the restaurant has like a ton of reviews, but I think you just answered my question now on the previous answer you just gave with it being in the Quicken Loans Arena. But like, I'm wondering, how did you drive so much traffic and to get all of those reviews and stuff on Facebook? Is that pretty much
all organic, AJ? That's all organic. I don't even do ads on that, to be honest with you. It's a Latin restaurant, and for some reason, these Puerto Ricans love food, black people, white people. I'm telling you, it's just, I don't know why, but it's all organic traffic. I don't even pay for ads for the restaurant at all.
Gotcha. Now, do you pay for ads for your cleaning company at all?
I call it the faucet. So whenever I want some more business, I just turn the faucet on, and when I want to slow down a little bit, I turn the faucet off. So yeah, I love Google.
Thank you for watching my video, and make sure you hit that like button if you liked the video, because I know you did, and also hit subscribe, and right beside that subscribe button is going to be a notification bell. You gotta click that, because guess what? You never know when I'm gonna go live. As a matter of fact, I might go live right now, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss my videos, all right? And if you want to start or grow your business, check out cleanbiznetwork.com, all right? We have cleaning business starter kits. We have a lead generation service to help you grow your cleaning business, all type of stuff. And also, don't forget to download the Calculated Clean mobile app as well, all right? So that's what I got for y'all until you click another video and go watch, man. Watch another video, why not? Binge on it.